What is going on? My name is Shane. Welcome back to Learnerpreneur. In this video, you're going to learn how to save a TikTok video without posting in your gallery. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the plus sign at the bottom center of the screen and click on that plus sign. That's going to open up your camera where you can start filming a TikTok video right now, or you can use one from your camera roll by going down to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and clicking on camera roll. That'll open up your camera where you can check out all of the different videos that you've got on your camera. And I got a bunch of different stuff here, lots of totally not TikTok worthy videos. We'll just choose one at random from recent Halloween. Click next. You can do this by shooting a video just like normal as well. There's my wife right there. There's a little clip. Of course, you can adjust the edges if you are uploading a video, and doing it this way, you can kind of trim what you'd like to see in the video. After you're done, just click next. You can add sounds, effects, text, stickers, voiceover, and filters. So that's pretty sweet. If we wanted to add some text, click on text. You can choose which color. There's a whole bunch of colors here. And we can just type in, oops, if I could spell. Click done. After you're done, click next, bottom right-hand corner. That's my kid. Now, you can go through this whole process of posting by describing your video, hashtags, friends, and so on and so forth. But if you want to save your video without posting in your gallery, just click on Drafts and change who can view this video at the top of the screen right underneath the video itself. You see it says followers right now. Click on that and make it so that it is private. Bottom selection, click on that. And that way nobody else can see it. And also I would recommend unclicking to save to device. That way it is not saved to your gallery. After you're done, go down to the bottom of the screen and don't post it, but I recommend saving as a draft. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out on how to save a TikTok video but not post to gallery. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and have an awesome day wherever you are. Take care.